Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best coupon codes for Cnfans. Now first of all, open up your browser and search here. Just go to this website called Coupon Birds. Go to Google and search here couponbirds.com. And once you go to couponbirds.com, you will be at this website homepage. So from here you can just simply search Cnfans inside this section, and once you write down Cnfans, so you will be basically sent to this website. So just open Cnfans and you will see a list of Cnfans September 2025. Like currently there's September month, so as you can see, like the free you can say the coupon codes are already updated on this website. So you can simply say 12% off, 15% off, $130 off. Choose the coupon code that you want to use and just click on get code. And once you click on get code, as you can see, like this is the copy and the code, and shop at cnfans.com. Simply click on copy and that code will be copied and you can use it at cnfans.com. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get free coupon codes of Cnfans in 2025.